Hello gang, it's Kate from Kate Bishop Coaching here. I'm a fully certified career confidence coach, making your Mondays feel just as awesome as your Fridays. And I'm super excited because it is just 3 weeks to go until my in-person workshop, Overcome the Imposter in Your Business. This is for business owners, it's for business leaders who really struggle with imposter syndrome, with a lack of confidence, the inability to make those big, bold, brave, scary decisions that's holding them back and holding the business back as well. It is happening in 3 weeks' time. Funnily enough, Wednesday, the 27th of March in the morning at the wonderful Isbourne Centre in Cheltenham. I've got 4 hours together. It's a nice, lovely, small, select group, and we will be doing a deep dive into what imposter syndrome is, identifying our inner critic, and discovering our inner mentor, along with heaps of other things along the way. So if you would like to get involved, then check out the booking details. I'll put them in the comments, and I cannot wait to meet you and your inner critic then. Bye-bye.